This is the dust collector controller view in the greenBOX interface. The dust collector controller automatically starts and stops the dust collector based on workstation activity. When the first machine is used, the controller starts the main fan and the entire dust collector. When all machines are idle, it shuts the system down after the programmed delay. This automatic start and stop saves labor, reduces electricity use, and lowers wear on equipment, often worth around $10,000 a year for a 200 horsepower dust collector. On this screen, you can see live data for every dust collector motor. For the main fan, the system shows total static pressure, horsepower, motor current, voltage, and speed. The same detailed monitoring is available for the airlock, the transport fan, the cleaning arm, and the cleaning pump. The cleaning pump pressure and the filter differential pressure are tracked in real time. The averaging air velocity sensor measures air velocity in the main duct and calculates total air volume. The air quality sensor monitors temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and particulate matter including PM1, PM2.5, and PM10. Installed on the clean air side, it can also detect broken filter bags. By monitoring all of these parameters, the system can provide early warnings before small issues cause downtime. From air velocity at the gates to dust collector performance, this interface gives you complete visibility into your system status, locally at the greenBOX or remotely.